associated with PETA for the past 15 years. So let's take a look at the ad campaign where Raveena is holding a dummy calf in one hand and a signboard which reads, "Here's the rest of your handbag" in the other. When we asked Raveena to reveal more about the ad film, she passionately spoke about the plight of animals and said,
Campaign is basically against leather and leather products, which we think is a style statement, but actually the way it is made and the way it is promoted and the way we use it, everyone thinks leather is something that is eco-friendly, which is a complete salesman pitch which has been given to us for so long. It is not. It has a lot of chemicals, it has a lot of toxins that are made. The preservation solutions that are used for it are ultimately not good for us or not good for anything. And the way it's made is what is the basic thing. You could be vegetarian because you don't believe in killing animals, but if you're carrying a leather bag or wearing leather belts or leather shoes, your whole dharma is wrong then, because ultimately the way leather is made is the most cruelest thing to do to any animal.
Raveena, how difficult is it for you to practice what you preach, considering the profession you are in?
Considering that I come from an industry where style is the thing that you should be, and you should be carrying the most fashionable bag and everything, it is little difficult for me to implement what I'm doing, but I do it with a conviction, because even when I walk into a very high brand store which has leather goods, the first thing I ask them, please give me something that is either cloth or denim. Even my bags, which are Louis Vuitton bag or something, you'll find them they're either in denim or they're out of canvas, because I don't use leather.
Good for you, Raveena. But what about those people who may oppose the making of leather goods but like the look of leather and would like to sport it?
Today we have an option. There are synthetic leathers. There are companies in India as well which make beautiful handbags and shoes and which are non-leather. So we have an option. It's not that there is no option.
That's great. And we do hope that people do take that option. Killing of certain animals involves religious beliefs of people. So are you protesting on religious grounds, Raveena?
Leather sometimes when you find that's made in China or made in here or made there, Bangladesh and all, how do you know it's leather? It's actually probably cat skin or dog skin, which comes in the name of pure leather or anything. Even the way leather is made, the animals are skinned alive. So it's really, really cruel. So, you could be the purest, you could be a worshipper, you could do anything. But ultimately you're harming the co-inhabitants of this planet. So for me, it's not a religious thing. For me, humanity is the biggest religion. And this actually comes in the form of, just being kind to your own fellow species of this planet.
Well said, Raveena. And we are sure many more people are going to be made aware by this ad film.